I got the caster wheels that lock, but I did not put them on. I think I need it. Now look at the way I gotta fix this and that shitty. See that? How it's bent like this? That's what happens when you put it on the back of a trailer to let a buddy use it. And the bumps, okay? Weight in the back and the front, it's just bent it. So now I'm gonna put some angle right here and here. And you guys are like, why didn't you just buy a new one? I have, look, put it like this. My wife calls it my hoarding shit. And I call it my, I'm gonna use that shit to fix this frickin' stand. Alright, so, in my opinion, I guess some women, they don't see, at least my wife, they don't see that, the potential. But yeah, look guys. A lot of us are fucked up holding on to shit like that. All kinds of crazy boxes or whatnot. There is an issue with hoarding, okay? They used to call that excessive compulsive disorder, okay? But the DSM, which is psychology, you know, I'm not trying to get too deep into this, but they changed it. They made, there's an entire new disorder. It is hoarding, straight up, okay? It's called hoarding. And I'm asking my professor, you know, in my third year, I'm like, why? What's the difference between, you know, a compulsive disorder? You're compulsive, you compulsively keep things, this and that, or the other. They said, people who hoard, who get things and do that, they enjoy it. Okay? They enjoy doing what they're doing. Although it's a detriment to their health, right? They enjoy doing the shit. The people who have compulsive disorders, okay, they hate it. They do not enjoy their illness. So there you go, guys. There's a little tidbit. Figured I'd throw that in there. I don't know how often I'm going to throw this type of information in. But, yeah, that's something to think about. But, all right. I'll be back, okay, guys? Hang tight.